Welcome to the Samsung Galaxy A73, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So just to do that, we should first open Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings, then click to Google Assistant, tap to Hey Google and voice match, and now we should tap here to get started. Click to next, read the description, click to yes I agree, tap to continue, not now, and now we just successfully activated the Hey Google option. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.